Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the soul lantern in Fish It. So if you want to have this soul lantern on your character, so the soul lantern is a must-have item for any serious angler in Fish It. And in here, you cannot buy this one, but you can find it when you see this treasure chest icon appear. A shipwreck has appeared. So I actually got the lantern when I opened the treasure chest. So what you need to do in here is enable the fishing radar. So you don't have one, you can buy it first. The fish radar in here. So enable it, and then you can just search on the ocean until you find the treasure icon. It will look like this, but it says treasure. So you can just find across the ocean. So I actually found the soul lantern when I tried to finish the lost treasure quest. So just search for it, and don't forget to also put on your diving gear because you need to dive to be able to find the shipwreck and open the treasure chest. So try your luck and found the treasure. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.